What if everything you thought was future tech is already happening right now? These AI innovations are so advanced, they feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. And they're changing the world as we speak. Stick with me till the end. Because now, we're about to dive into the most insane AI technologies starting right now. ModufarmBot. What if your home could grow its own food, completely on autopilot? Meet ModufarmBot, the AI-powered farming system that snaps together like Lego and transforms any rooftop or backyard into a fully automated farm. It plants, waters, and harvests with insane precision while cutting water usage by up to 40%. Powered by solar energy and smart sensors, this isn't just farming. It's a self-running food factory built for the future. Fauna robotic sprout. What if a robot in your home didn't just move, but actually felt alive? Meet Fauna robotic sprout, a compact humanoid powered by advanced AI that can walk, dance, grab objects, and react with expressive LED emotions. It learns through real-world interaction, adapting and evolving the more you engage with it. Built for education and beyond, this isn't just a robot. It's a glimpse into a future where machines become part of your daily life. Roborock Saros Rover. What if your robot vacuum didn't just clean your floor, but conquered your entire house? Meet the Roborock Saros Rover, a next-level AI machine that can literally climb stairs, jump over obstacles, and clean across multiple levels like it's alive. With insane 19,000 Pascal suction and advanced 3D mapping, it avoids pets, cables, and chaos effortlessly. This isn't just smart cleaning, it's a fully autonomous cleaning beast that turns your home into its playground. Tiny volumetric lamp. What if you could hold a real hologram? Right in the palm of your hand, meet the tiny volumetric lamp, a pocket-sized device that projects stunning 3D visuals floating in midair. From glowing animations to mini characters, everything appears fully viewable from every angle. No glasses needed. Powered by ultra-fast spinning LEDs, this isn't just a desk accessory. It's a mini sci-fi experience that instantly upgrades your entire setup. Acecore Noa. Imagine strapping into the Acecore Noa, the drone that feels more like a sci-fi jet than a quadcopter. This beast isn't just flying, it's redefining freedom in the skies. With its insane speed, modular design, and unmatched stability, it can conquer winds that would ground most drones. Picture shooting cinematic footage that looks straight out of Hollywood, all from your backyard. The Acecore Noa isn't just a drone, it's a game-changer for creators, adventurers, and tech fanatics who demand nothing less than next-level aerial mastery. Rovar X3. What if your backpack could follow you everywhere without you touching it? Meet the Rovar X3, an AI-powered robotic companion that tracks you using advanced vision and follows across grass, gravel, and even shallow water like it's alive. No remote, no controls, just pure autonomous movement. It can carry your gear, film your journey, and even interact like a smart pet. This isn't just a gadget, It's your personal robot sidekick on the go. Sweetmyo. Brace yourself for Sweetmyo, the gadget that's rewriting the rules of personal tech. This tiny powerhouse isn't just cute. It packs insane smart features that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. From ultra-responsive touch controls to AI-powered personalization, Sweetmyo adapts to your lifestyle like it can read your mind. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just chilling, this device turns ordinary moments into futuristic experiences. Sweetmyo isn't just a gadget. It's your pocket-sized gateway to the next level of tech coolness. HTC VIVE Eagle. Strap in for HTC VIVE Eagle, the VR headset that's about to shatter your reality. This beast doesn't just put you in a game, it throws you straight into hyper-realistic worlds with insane clarity and ultra-smooth motion. Every detail pops, every movement feels natural, and the immersion is so intense you'll forget the real world exists. Gamers, creators, and tech junkies, this is the next-level VR experience you didn't even know you needed. The future of virtual reality? It's here, and it's the Eagle. Bionesis named Canopy Rover. Meet the Bionesis named Canopy Rover, the insane machine that's redefining exploration. This isn't your average rover. It glides, climbs, and navigates dense forests with robotic precision, reaching places humans can't even dream of. Equipped with high-tech sensors and AI-driven mapping, it turns every jungle or canopy into a fully charted playground. Whether for research, conservation, or pure adventure, the Canopy Rover is taking exploration to a whole new level. The future of discovery. It's alive, robotic, and unstoppable. (3D Volumetric Hologram Display). What if screens completely disappeared and your content started floating in mid-air? This 3D volumetric hologram display creates real, 360-degree visuals you can walk around and view from any angle. No glasses, no limits. Using ultra-fast spinning LEDs and advanced voxel tech, it brings games, data, and animations to life like pure sci-fi. This isn't just a display upgrade, it's the moment flat screens become obsolete forever. AI Holographic Display. What if a single photo could come to life and actually talk back to you? This AI holographic display turns static images into fully interactive 3D avatars with emotions, memory, and real conversations. It doesn't just respond, it learns you, adapts, and evolves over time. From digital humans to bringing memories alive, this isn't just futuristic tech. It's the moment reality and AI start blending into one. MentorPi. Get ready to meet MentorPi, the AI that's about to blow your mind. This isn't your average chatbot. It's like having a genius mentor in your pocket 24/7. From solving complex problems to giving career and life advice, MentorPi adapts to you, learning faster than any human could. Imagine asking a question and getting an answer so precise, it feels like the future is already here. This is next-level AI, and it's changing the way we think, learn, and level up. Forever. Plaud Note Pro. Get ready for Plaud Note Pro, the gadget that's turning the way we take notes upside down. This isn't just a digital notebook, it's a smart powerhouse that instantly captures your thoughts, sketches, and ideas with insane precision. With AI-powered organization, handwriting recognition, and seamless cloud syncing, Plaud Note Pro makes staying productive feel effortless. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, this device turns your notes into next-level tools. Say goodbye to chaos. Plaud Note Pro is the ultimate brain upgrade. Hydrogels. Prepare to be blown away by Hydrogels, the futuristic material that's straight out of a sci-fi lab. These squishy, high-tech gels aren't just water. They can heal wounds, deliver medicine, and even act like super-absorbent robots. Imagine a material that adapts, repairs, and responds to its environment like it's alive. Scientists are using hydrogels to revolutionize medicine, robotics, and wearable tech. Tiny, flexible, and insanely smart. Hydrogels are proving that the future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's wet, wild, and unstoppable. Helix 02. Get ready for Helix 02, the tech marvel that feels straight out of the future. This next-gen device isn't just smart, it's a full-on AI powerhouse built to supercharge your life. From lightning-fast data processing to seamless integration with everything you own, Helix 02 adapts to you in ways that feel almost unreal. Sleek, powerful, and insanely intuitive, it's the gadget that makes ordinary tech look ancient. The future isn't coming, it's here, and it's called Helix 02. NVIDIA accelerates chip. Hold on to your seats. NVIDIA accelerates chip is here, and it's a total game changer. This isn't just another processor. It's a lightning-fast, AI-powered monster designed to crush complex tasks in milliseconds. From next-level gaming to mind-blowing AI computations, this chip makes everything insanely smoother and faster. Think speed you can see, power you can feel, and tech that's rewriting the rules of what's possible. NVIDIA just dropped the future in your lap, and it's unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If you loved these insane tech breakthroughs, hit that like button and subscribe for more next-level gadgets. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss the future.